Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my June 2021 Boxycharm Premium unboxing. Yeah, this is my Boxycharm Premium box. This is tiny. This is definitely the smallest Boxycharm Premium box I've ever gotten, and it may be my smallest Boxycharm box in general. But I mean, it doesn't really matter the size of the box because as long as the products are good and the value is good, that's what matters. And I know the price of shipping has gone up, so if Boxycharm is doing tiny boxes now, that's fine. But when I just opened my door and saw this on the doorstep, I was like, what is this, my premium box? But anyways, the Boxycharm Premium box is a $35 a month beauty subscription that I love and look forward to every month. So I'm so excited that this is finally here. But I am still waiting on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which has not even shipped yet as far as I can tell, and my regular Boxycharm box, which has not shipped yet either. So I hope those will be here soon. I did already get my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of June, and I posted my unbagging of that and have been doing my makeup reviews because if you are not already aware, I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I do full dedicated reviews on all of the makeup products that I get in Ipsy and Boxycharm. But like I was saying, I've been waiting for this, so let's get into it. Yeah, I mean, got the product information here. I'm trying not to look ahead, but there are 6 products, so this is the premium box. So let's start out with the Wander Beauty product that I see here in the middle, which I love the brand Wander Beauty. So here I have the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. Ooh, you know, I feel like I've tried out almost all of the Wander Beauty products because they have been so generous to me in PR, and I get them in Ipsy and Boxycharm sometimes, and have just bought Wander Beauty products over the years. But I'm excited to say that I have not tried this one out. And I love Wander Beauty skincare because, well, all of their products are multitasking. So, like for example, right now I'm using their, is it called the vitamin C concentrate? Well, it's their new vitamin C serum, but it has so many other beneficial ingredients and qualities to it, and I've been loving it. But so let's see what this one is. The Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. Wow, retail value of $68. Ooh, it says it's formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. I love using retinoid. You got to use it carefully though, because I really dried out my skin using too much of it recently. So I'm slowly working back into using a retinoid or a retinol, and I need it because these fine lines are coming for me. I'm turning 28 in less than 2 months, and I feel like it shows. No, I still look radiant and young, right? But so it says squalane and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood, is this real dragon's blood? Helps soothe the skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. So let's see about this. Ooh, love the packaging. Here's what that looks like. I'm so excited to start incorporating this into my nighttime skincare. All right, next up, ooh, from Marc Jacobs. We are getting lots of high-end products in this box. This is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Okay, this, I think I've heard really good things about. Ooh, beautiful packaging. This seems like a big mascara. Let's see. So the Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara retails for $27. Yay, so this is like what I was saying before. I will be trying this out in a full dedicated review video. And I have tried out, literally I am on day like 1,230, so 1,230 products that I've tried out so far. So that means I am very picky with the makeup when I review it, and I have a lot to compare it to, but mascaras I am especially picky with. I am very particular about how my lashes look, so I am very excited to try this out. Next, oh my gosh, sticking with the high-end brands, Natasha Denona. This is the Transform Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. Oh my gosh, this sounds perfect. Pore Vanishing Foundation. I feel like I'm always talking about how large pores is one of my main skin concerns. So a pore vanishing foundation product just sounds absolutely incredible to me. I love trying out foundation products. So this is in the shade 24W Light Warm. I think I did get to choose my shade, but I think they were out of a lot of shades. And I think since I chose this, I've gotten a tan for the summer. So it may not be the perfect match for me, but that's okay. I'm still gonna try it out, and hopefully that pore vanishing claim is accurate. So the Natasha Denona Transform Matte Foundation retails for $45. All very pricey products that I have pulled out so far. Next, oh, now this is from a brand that I'm not familiar with. It's the brand Pilum Eye Cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. Okay, now quinoa is a new to me ingredient. Like, I have not seen quinoa in skincare. I eat quinoa, but I've never used it in my skincare. That's funny. So an eye cream, well, you know, I love an eye cream. I use one morning and night. So this will be fun to try. Let's see what the retail value, oh, $39 retail value. So that is an expensive eye cream. And at first I was like, wow, that's a small little product, but actually for an eye cream, this is a pretty good size. Okay, cool, we'll try that out. Ooh, here is a product from the brand Zoeva, Pure Velours Lips Natural Aesthetic. I don't know what that means that this is. The Zoeva Pure Velours Lip. Oh, so like a liquid lipstick, velvet liquid lipstick maybe. The shade is called Natural Aesthetic. Retail value of $15. Well, I love a lot of Zoeva products, so I'm excited to try that out, and I love a liquid lipstick, so that will be part of my trying a new makeup product everyday series soon as well. And then the final product in here, so everything fit inside this tiny box, but you know what I think the difference is? Usually the Boxycharm boxes are filled with that like spongy cushion material. This month, no packaging cushion, so it didn't have any extra, you know, padding or space taken up, but all of my products seem to be in fine condition. And then, so this final product is from the brand called Floss. Yeah, Floss Beauty, a brand that I am not familiar with, and I love learning about new makeup brands through Ipsy and Boxycharm. So that's awesome. It's the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. Ooh, what a fun product. I love a multitasking product. So yay, I am very excited to try this out and very happy to see that I got some high-end brands that I'm familiar with and excited to try more products from, but also some brands that are going to be new to me. Ooh, this seems like nice, kind of high-end packaging. And the look of it, at first it like reminds me of Glossier, but I don't think this is from Glossier, no. But it does say Clean Beauty. And the Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint, has a retail value of $22. So no inexpensive products here. Let's add up the total retail value. Okay, before I let you know the total retail value, I'm gonna do a quick recap because I am very happy with my June 2021 Boxycharm Premium. So I got the Pilum Eye Cream, the Zoeva Liquid Lipstick, the Marc Jacobs Mascara, the Natasha Denona Foundation, and the Wander Beauty Overnight Repair Concentrate. What I also love is that I got all products that I can wear at the same time. So I love to do full face makeup tutorials using all of my Boxycharm products or my Ipsy products, but I haven't done that in a while just because I hadn't gotten anywhere close to the amount of products, makeup to be able to do a full face. But this month I might be able to do that. So if you would be interested in that type of video, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out any of these products before, what your thoughts are on them, and what you got in your June premium box. I'd love to hear that. But so anyways, my total retail value comes out to $216. That is amazing value that I paid $35 for. So see, that's why I love the Boxycharm Premium so much. I'm so happy with this box, all products that I can't wait to start using and try out and incorporate into my skincare routines. So yeah, I'm very happy. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.